How to enable story comments on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to enable comments on your Instagram stories? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on the home page. Tap the circle with your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap the hamburger icon at the top. Your settings and activity page will open up. Scroll down until you find the section named as How Others Can Interact with You. Tap on Comments. Under Who Can Comment, select Stories. If your story comments are currently set to off, that's why people haven't been able to comment on your stories. To enable comments, select Everyone. This will allow anyone to comment on your stories. Alternatively, you can also choose People You Follow option if you only want comments from the people you follow. Keep in mind that if you want to comment on someone else's story, then there's nothing you need to do. Story comments are turned on by default, unless that user has disabled it or restricted it to the people they follow. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to enable Instagram story comments. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.